You know, in 2009, a group of really rock stars in the Agile space got together and formed RippleRock. And we basically brought together a group of talented trainers, coaches, and mentors worldwide from the UK, India, and the United States. And so we're out teaching people about Agile methodologies, Scrum, and we're going back in there after the classroom and helping them with consulting, coaching, and mentoring.
We're focused on Scrum and Agile, helping teams, helping developers, helping people deliver software business value faster.
The whole Scrum process is about learning and developing and changing in anything that helps out the team.
A lot of times companies just need someone from the outside to kick things up and just make a change.
And so I think it's companies that get software development and get how to use current technology competitively.
I am a Scrum Master, and I was looking for some training on how to be a better Scrum developer.
It's good for teams, it's good for software development. I think it's good for a lot of things outside of software development. I think it's a positive organizational change tool.
Test can be the first client. We have a broad selection of courses to meet all the needs of Agile software development teams, from project management to Scrum Master and Product Owner, and also for the brand new developer certification that Scrum Alliance is offering.
RippleRock is one of the first companies to come up with a Certified Scrum Developer course. We're really excited about that. It's the first time that a Scrum course is actually developed geared toward the developer, not necessarily the project manager or the business analyst.
I just showed up. Everything was there. I didn't need to install anything on my computer. All the exercises were there, all the tools were there, so I just showed up.
It's the essence of Scrum in a way that the whole thing is about the team. It's about kind of figuring out how to work with your peers to get things done.
In my Scrum training course, it's called Scrum Implementation Workshop, we actually build a product right in the class.
The most exciting stuff is probably the hands-on types of opportunities.
And the class here at RippleRock was very open, very Scrum-like, very, can we, do we want to do this? Do we have time for this? Let's do this. This is more important. Let's get to what we guys want to learn first.
The thing that I've liked best about the training is the real-world stories that come in. The practical application, so that going from the slide that has the bottom line bullet points to the how does this get implemented in the real world.
One of the reasons we're good, it's about our people.
They've walked the walk and they can talk the talk. So they're entertaining, they're interesting to listen to, and you can tell that they've been in the field.
And it takes experience to be able to overcome the problems that come up in a team, in an organization, when they try to be more agile. RippleRock offers that experience with very, very experienced trainers and coaches that have seen these problems and can help organizations overcome them.
The payback really comes from where we've been, what we've seen, kind of the down in the dirt, real world experiences.
And so I'm excited to basically apply what I learned.
If a developer was taking a class, one of the things I'd say is bring your buddies, other people in the team, because this is not something that you're going to bring back and do alone.
Yeah, to implement Scrum, you can't do it by yourself. You need a whole team, and the whole team needs to be trained in the process, and you need to work together.
And that's a pretty key change, I think, for me, and something that I'll try to promote in my organization.
One of the things that I've noticed with the industry is that there are consultants and there are trainers, and it's very rare to have both. So that you can get your training from RippleRock and then get your consulting from RippleRock, or vice versa, and they can go back and forth between the two. You're not going to get that at most other places.
I would encourage other developers and friends of mine to take the RippleRock courses because they're very informative, they go right by, they're interesting, they're fast-paced, it's a very interactive class, and it's just fun.